Get into the 2020 Toyota Camry. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, trip computer, engine immobilizer, power windows. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.